Hello! Today we are going to replace this gutter downpipe with a rain chain. In the package, you will find installation instructions with a rain chain's pencil, business cards and flyers. A fixing hook is automatically supplied with the chain. It is positioned at the bottom of the gutter and it will then have to hang the first cup. If required, a reducer can also be supplied. It will be used to reduce the diameter of your gutter start if it is too large compared to the diameter of the chain. The diameter of the beginning of the gutter must be equal to or less than that of the rain chain. You can also order a crappadine if you wish. Here we have the model Feng Shui, which is made of aluminium. Its cup diameter is greater than the diameter of the gutter outlet, so there is no need for a reducer. To fix the bottom of the chain, we chose a basin. It will allow the chain to be stretched and will work by overflow. Now let's move on to installing the rain chain. The first step in installing a rain chain is to unsnap the gutter tube. Then, you have to take the hook, hang the link of the first cup on it, and put the assembly in the gutter. Now you have to hook the first cup to the link. Finally, we will attach the chain to this basin. You can also fix it with a stake or a chain.